Alright guys, someone asked me this morning if the trim on the shift boot assembly is removable. Just a quick video showing you guys how to do that. Alright, once the shift boot assembly is out, we have 4 Phillips screws to remove. Alright, after that we have 4 tabs to unlatch with a flathead screwdriver. Here, 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 and here. I'll start with these 2 down here because they're a bit easier to get to. While you do this, you need to try to pull it apart with your other hand. Alright, the shift boot itself just slides on these tabs, so it's not even glued on, so it is super easy to just swap it out. We'll just need to slide the shift boot onto the tabs of the new trim. And I can confirm that the standard shift boot with the trim does fit into the Ultra Suede version. Alright, to install, we just need to snap everything back in and then tighten the 4 screws. Alright guys, thanks again for watching and hit the like and subscribe button for a lot more VBWX videos.